O ũrĩa tekinoronjĩ njerũ cireyumĩria, noguo mũingĩ ũrahinyĩrĩrio kũmĩhĩmbĩria itemi-inĩ rĩa kũhũthia mũrutĩre wa wĩra. Ũhũthĩri wa drones nĩ ũmwe wa tekinoronjĩ iria ikundi cia andũ kĩũmbe na thirikari ikoretwo ikĩgeria, rĩu gũkĩrĩkana no inyite itemi inene ũhandi-inĩ wa mĩtĩ. Nzoga Ndege marĩ na Patricia Icharaiti kuma gĩkundi kĩa EcoWings makoretwo makĩgeria ũhũthĩri wa drones iria maugĩte nĩ igũteithia gũcenjia mũrutĩre wa wĩra.
That we are able to monitor specific sites of planting, and we can load up to do a whole plantation where we can do our hectares. We can do a whole area where the seedball plantation is required. So it's very.
Our core mandate is in reforestation, and we are looking at doing a research for mangrove restoration with our prototype drone. Our drone seeder is able to plant 2,500 seed balls in 20 minutes, which is very effective compared to the conventional ways of tree planting.
Maharitie marĩ mũtitũ-inĩ wa Rariak kũrĩa monanĩtie ũrĩa drones ici ithiaga ikĩrekagia mbegũ kũrĩa ciathĩrĩirwo, ũndũ ũrĩa ona ũrahũthia mĩhang'o ĩno.
Right now we are doing a partnership with Kefri. The project that we are working on is in Mau Forest to do restoration of Mau Forest, Tiva Forest, and also a forest in Rumuruti.
Minister wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie ũcenjia wa rĩera na mĩtitũ Soipan Tuya augĩte thirikari ĩrĩcemba kũhĩmbĩria tekinoronjĩ ĩno nĩguo kũgitĩra na kũramata mĩtitũ o ũndũ ũmwe na kũmũrĩka kũrĩa mĩtitũ ĩrathũkangio.
The potential of Earth observation techniques for monitoring, surveillance and mapping cannot be overstated. My ministry has successfully used satellite data sets, including drones, to map the forest area, monitor and detect illegalities, and one of the projects has been demonstrated here is one of a partnership between the government of Kenya and the government of France for purposes of surveillance and enhancing protection of our forest by monitoring the activities therein.
Ngiribota Inooro TV kuma kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia, njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.